Hey, Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. And I remember when the 10-year was actually paying about 7% as opposed to 0.07%, like less than 1% that it's paying. Like back when I started trading right around in 1996 here, we were paying over 7%. So this has been a heck of a ride here. And by the way, what have equities done in that period of time? Basically just gone no place but up. Okay, so what are we going to do here? Here's the thing. You can't argue with the fact that money is about free. I mean, when you're paying less than, or when you're getting paid less than 1%, like when you're getting paid 0.7% to tie up your money. I mean, for 10 years, you put in $10,000 and you get like $70 back each year. That's not too good. So what are you going to do? You can do something like this. Put some money into MGM growth properties. You got it right. It's MGM. And this is the company, the LLC, that actually owns the land that all their casinos rent, right? So they pay a pretty hefty dividend, like 10 times what the 10-year pays. And they've also just absolutely taken it in the shorts over the last week or so, couple weeks, down 25% at one point. So just if I was just trading a stock looking for an oversold rebound, this would actually be one that I would look at. I would say, okay, I see how the stock traded. Ran up just like everything else did into the close. So my low, my drop dead on the stock is about $26. So I'm buying the stock at 27.05, whatever it is. Give it about a 4% risk. And I kind of like my chances for making money. And then once the stock starts moving up, I mean, if it just moves up to $28, that's 3 1/3, whatever percent right there. That's half of your annual dividend just in a nice little capital appreciation bounce. So, if you're trading fairly actively, this is a stock that you can look at. On the other hand, if you've got money that you're kind of looking for a place for it where you want to be getting paid something other than on a treasury note, put it in MGM properties, give yourself a stop a little bit below $26. This is going to be a good trade for you, okay? Now, members, over to the weekend update. We got a few different videos for you. I'm covering stocks that are certainly poised to move next week if we get any more kind of stabilization, okay? I'll see you there.